Hey guys, let's take a look at solving this nice log equation. So e log x2 equals 5. So let's solve it. First, just take the ln on both sides. So it's ln of e log x2 equals ln of 5. Bring this down. So log x2 e to the power rule equals ln 5. Now this is equal to 1 here. So it's going to be just log x2 equals ln 5. What do we do now? Exponentiate, or we write in exponential form. So we'll say x to the ln 5 equals 2. Now, maybe you haven't seen this before, but this is just a constant. So the opposite is to just do this. X to the ln 5 and just multiply by 1 over ln 5, because this will make a 1 here. But I did the same thing on that side, so it just becomes 2 to the 1 over ln 5. So far so good, I'm sure. So now these cancel, and all that remains is x equals 2 raised to the 1 over ln 5. There you go. That's a way to do it. If you liked it, if it's helpful, check out the other videos on my channel. I have a lot of quizzes on my community tab too.